Over time, the sun fades plastic, bumpers, front bumpers, and especially on like the Avalanches, the plastic, you'll see the difference from here to here. It just sun fades. The best way to bring it back, if you use like an Armor All or back to black trim, those work like very temporarily, and then as soon as it gets wet, it runs down the side of your truck and looks awful. So a permanent way to fix this, real simple, cheap, and not very time consuming, is a heat gun. You can get them at a parts store or a discount parts store, anywhere you want. Sears has them. Heat guns are maybe $40, $50. Turn your heat gun on and just apply it to your plastic. And just move consistently. Don't stay in one spot. You don't want to melt the plastic. Or you can keep it on the plastic, just going back and forth, side by side or up and down. And you'll be able to bring the black back. You can see from here to here. And then also in the photo that I'm going to show you right now, the before and after. So we went halfway up, and it brought the black back. And it's a permanent, until the sun fades it again, a permanent fix. If you don't have a heat gun, something I wouldn't recommend, but it does work, is a small propane torch that you can get at any Walmart, Kmart, or anything. Same thing, this will melt the plastic, and it will also melt your paint, burn your paint. So you want to be careful with it. But you'll see here, or here if you can get this, if you take this and just go back and forth, it works just as well as the heat gun. It's really quick though, and it will melt your plastic, so you want to be careful if this is the route you're going to take. I would recommend the heat gun over the torch, but you can see how well it's working right now. And it's just bringing everything right back. So go back and forth consistently. Don't stay in one spot. You'll see it'll start to bubble. That's not something you want. It started to smoke. Don't do that. Just go back and forth. And if you want to zoom in real quick, you can see the difference. It's just bringing all the black back. And then afterwards, you can use like an Armor All product or something on top of it to really bring back the shine, but this is a permanent fix. And eventually the sun will fade it again. But this torch is something that does work, but I wouldn't recommend using it. Heat gun is a little bit safer. And then just set your gun to cool when you're finished so you don't burn your gun out. Just slowly back and forth, side to side, or up and down on your plastic front, rear bumpers, or on the Avalanche trim. It'll bring it all back. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more how-to videos and car stuff. Thanks again. Also, a hairdryer will not work, so don't use the hairdryer.